Welcome to Big Dog Repair. Today we're going to go on part 2 of this diesel heater installation. We're going to cut the hole in the shed for the exhaust. We're going to cut a hole for the gas fill. I'll show you why. Be right back. Okay, if you notice, our gas fill is underneath this shelf back here. So we're going to have a way to fill our tank up with petrol, or diesel I should say. So what I'm going to do, cut a hole on top of the shelf so we can put a oil fill on the back and fill our diesel up. So let's get started. We have to take the diesel heater off of the base, so this way we can not bore through our cover to the tank. We already have our hole figured out for what we're going to drill out to the back, which is going to be 4 inches of a hole, and we'll get that done too. So let's get this out of the way. Drill our hole here. Okay, before we drilled it, we figured out where to drill it. It's not a random hole, it's right above the fill cap. Now, I'm going to take and drill out our 4-inch hole. I'm just going to put a piece of aluminum tape over the hole so no debris falls on top of the diesel heater. I have plenty of this tape. All right. Be right back. You're scoring terrible today. All right. So now I'm going to fasten a plate to the wall like this. And I'll come back to you guys when I get that in. All right, I'm going to drill 4 holes, one on each corner, fasten it in. And this is a 4-inch opening here, and then we have room here to put in some insulation. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, we got our 4-inch hole cut in, and we have our adapter, metal adapter on. So our next step would be to wrap all the pipe, exhaust pipe, and fix that onto the diesel heater. So let's do that. Well then, today we added a piece of copper pipe onto our exhaust pipe, locating where we want to put the pipe going through the wall. Put in my fire blanket barrier. My reducer's going on there. I got to wrap this pipe once this fire caulk dries, so I won't be able to do that today. We're almost there. Almost there. All right, I got my pipe stubbed out. I got fire wrap inside, and I made my cover with fire wrap inside. I'm going to put this cover on here and go inside and show you what I did there. Okay, with my muffler wrap, I wrapped my pipe, exhaust pipe, twice. This line represents where it's going to get hooked up to. You can see double wall here. Now I'm going to fill the inside here with that blanket I have. Then my elbow is going to go on here like this. And I'm going to connect this to the unit. So there won't be any heat transfer into the shed or onto my plywood at all. This is the blanket I'm using. It's a fireproof blanket. And once I'm done with that, I'll show you what I'm going to do outside. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I'm stuffing around the fire blanket around the exhaust pipe that's already covered with exhaust blanket. So I'm going to add my elbow now. I'll have to work that elbow on there and then finish stuffing it. Be right back. Well, there we have it. Through the wall with the muffler on it. Gonna see if this works tomorrow. Take care. All right, right now, today, before we turn on the diesel heater, oh, there it is. It's 3 minus 3 Celsius and 29 degrees. We'll see what happens when we turn on the diesel heater. Okay, the battery shows 13.2, 13.1 volts. We should have enough voltage to get this thing running. Okay, let's add some diesel in here. I got it hooked up to the battery. Let's see how much diesel. Well, we're not going to put too much diesel in there. Just a little bit, just in case it leaks. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's put the pump away. Put the gas cap on. We're not going to put the cover on because we're just going to check for leaks and stuff. So for now, we just want to prime her up. So to prime her up, I think we have to put this little wrench here and this forward button together. And there she goes. The pump is pumping. I wonder how long it's going to take. I'll leave you guys on. We'll see how long it takes to pump up. Let's have a seat and relax. As you notice, the battery I'm using is the small one from the riding lawnmower. I do have a 110 to 12 reducer ordered and should be here Friday. We'll see. That's a transformer, right? Well, it slowed down and stopped. Okay, let's hit the on button. And see what happens. Hold the on button on. It's starting to blow a little bit. Cold air. It shut itself off. Let me check the fuses. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's see. What I think's happening, it had a small fuse here. I think it needs a bigger fuse. Yeah. Yeah, that's only a 3 amp fuse. I'm gonna go get a bigger fuse, and we'll be right back. Okay, I blew a 3 amp fuse. Let's go with 15 amp fuse. Let's see, 15 amp fuse is, should be right here, green one. 15, yep. All right, let's see how the 15 amp fuse goes. Okay, we're backing on. All right, it's 11:56 right now. She's warming up. The fan is running. It's just going to get started, so we'll see what happens. She's pumping fuel. She's throwing heat now. Let's see what it looks like outside. They say a little smoke gets blown out the back first time around. Nothing. I don't see any smoke at all. I feel the heat. Nice. Yeah, I feel the heat. Look, feels good. Let's go back inside. Being 29 degrees out here, I'm going to close the door and we'll see what we get for temperature reading in a little while. Wow, pretty good. Okay, let's close the door. She's starting to slow down a little bit. Now remember, this only offered a little riding mower battery, so hopefully it has enough juice to keep it going for a bit. I'm going to take a marker, if I can find it. I'm just going to put a dot to where the fuel is right now. We'll see how much it consumes in a little bit. We're also going to have to pair up our remote. Everything's cold down here. Perfect. Nice warm air coming out of there. More of this. Well, we went up to 0 Celsius, or maybe even 1, and we got 25, 26, 27 degrees so far inside. We'll keep checking this. 12:04. $27. Okay, let's check the heat coming out. $170, $190, $203, $205, about 2 something. The exhaust pipe that we put in there, 55 degrees. That's great. The unit itself, 110, 111. Right now it's 12:12. And we're already at 42 degrees Fahrenheit and 5, 6, 7 Celsius. So from 27 degrees to 40, that's 20 degrees within 10 minutes, eh? Okay, we'll be back again.